Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on message icon. Next, tap on the profile on which you want to turn on Vanish mode. Next, tap on its username. After that, tap on privacy and safety. Then you can see the option of Vanish mode. Tap on it. So, this is how you can turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.